In today's video, I'm sharing a recipe for a homemade herbal and protein hair conditioner that's incredibly versatile. You can apply it to wet hair and rinse it off after 5 minutes, use it as a nourishing mask on dry or damp hair by leaving it on for up to 1 hour, or even apply it to the ends as a leave-in treatment. This conditioner is designed to strengthen, thicken, and nourish your hair while also helping to prevent split ends and repair damage. When applied to the scalp, it improves blood circulation, strengthens hair follicles, and promotes new hair growth. For this recipe, I've chosen fresh nettle, lavender, and mint, but dry herbs will work well too. Here is why those herbs are fantastic for hair care. Nettle is packed with vitamin A, C, and K, along with minerals like iron and silica that boost hair strength and thickness, leaving it soft and shiny. Lavender not only has a beautiful calming smell, but is also known for its soothing anti-inflammatory properties that support a healthy scalp environment. Mint stimulates the scalp with a cooling sensation, improving circulation and giving your scalp a refreshing boost. If you decide to use fresh herbs, first rinse them, then chop them up and pour distilled water over it. Place this mixture in a water bath and let it infuse for about 15 minutes, keeping it covered. In the meantime, prepare the conditioning base. In a second heat-resistant beaker, combine 10 grams of glycerol stearate, 6 grams of cetyl alcohol, and 25 grams of coconut oil. My hair loves coconut oil, but feel free to use an oil that works best for your hair type. Place this beaker in a water bath to melt everything down for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, let's prepare the final ingredients. In a small container, dissolve 2 grams of collagen powder in 5 grams of water. This adds elasticity and smoothness to the hair. For best results, look for hydrolyzed collagen, as it has a smaller molecular size that can better adhere to hair. To make the conditioner easier to rinse out, add 5 grams of a gentle surfactant like cocamidopropylbetaine or cocoglucoside. I'm also using 5 grams of glycerin to add moisturizing properties to the cosmetic. Once the herbs are ready, strain them and measure out 35 grams of the herbal infusion. Slowly pour the hot herbal infusion into the melted conditioning base, stirring constantly for 1 to 2 minutes. Let the mixture cool slightly, then stir again until it starts to thicken and creates a creamy texture. Repeat this cooling and stirring process until you achieve a rich, smooth cream. When the conditioner base has completely cooled, it's time to add the final phase. Take a small amount of the emulsion and mix it with the protein solution. Then add the mixture into the emulsion. Blend everything with a mixer to ensure it's well combined and lump-free. Then add 5 grams of apple cider vinegar to balance the conditioner's pH for healthy, shiny hair, along with 5 drops each of rosemary and lavender essential oils. Those oils increase blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles, promoting faster hair growth. Mix the ingredients and finally add 1 gram of preservative. Mix everything well. All the ingredients you can find in the description box below. Place your finished conditioner into a clean sanitized container. I'm using one with a palm bottom so I can easily use every last bit. You can store this conditioner at room temperature for up to 1 month. The final texture is perfect. Creamy, smooth, and it leaves a soft protecting layer on the hair, making it feel deeply conditioned without being heavy. Let me know if you found this recipe useful and give it a try. I would love to hear your results in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye!